From Aliexpress for $1. You can't believe it what you can order. Yes, it's a 9V 12V Bluetooth 5.0 MP3 WMA APE FLAC decoder board, car audio, USB, TF, FM radio, aux module, MP3 Bluetooth music player that it says on the title, and it's the cheapest MP3 decoder with display that you can find on Aliexpress for $1. And I will put a link in description below so you can check it. And I got it. I love to do that. So many features: color screen, input voltage from 9 to 12 volts, LED color screen, support USB up to 32 GB, support Bluetooth, infrared receiving module, infrared remote control, FM, built-in FM radio receiver, MP3 decoder board. So many functions in tiny module. Okay. The remote control. Here it is, the MP3, FM, USB with Bluetooth speakers module. Okay. And some cables, nothing more. I can't believe it that this cost $1. Okay. For what are these? To cover the holes. Yes. Nice. We have two short cables. One is for powering the module, going here, and this connector will be for output, audio output, and the FM antenna. Let's test it now. Let's take a closer look before testing. The female USB reader, micro USB card reader, aux input. We have 4 buttons: volume down, play, pause, volume up, and mode. Here it is, the Bluetooth receiver. And what it says is produced 2022. Alright. Here it is, the voltage regulator. Anyway, you can run this on 5 volts if you directly solder right here. It says. Okay. Let's power up. I'm sending 9 volts, 3, 2, 1. Looking good. Aux. This is the FM radio receiver. Bluetooth. Okay. Hit mode button. You can choose what you want to play. Is it line in, or the radio, or the Bluetooth receiver? Just to mention that this module doesn't have built-in audio amplifier. These wires need to be connected to amplifier. It's an old retro boombox. This one is Sankei model TCR88 Mark II. Probably it's old 30 or 40 years. If you know what year is this SNK boombox, please comment below. And on this boombox I'm gonna connect the $1 Aliexpress Bluetooth module. This will be the amplifier and this will be the MP3 decoder. Let's connect. Everything is connected, and let me explain. The audio output from this MP3 decoder is connected on the RCA. This is adapter female to male, and it goes with the cable in line in of the boombox. And let's plug in now.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Okay.
Line in mode.
Line in mode.
FM mode.
FM mode. You can increase the volume from the dashboard.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Let's connect with my phone. Come on. Where is it? BT speaker.
Connected.
Connected. Alright. You can control the smartphone with the MP3 module. Play. Pause, play. The volume. Volume down, volume up. Even you can change the music tracks. Working great! Here on the boombox I have graphic equalizer. Bluetooth. Now I'm gonna test the USB and the TF card. Just to see, we will treat MP3s.
USB driver mode.
Yes. But because of copyright, I can't play any music, sorry for that. But it's working. You can select different tracks. Okay, it's working.
FM mode.
Let's test the remote. Power off. Yep. Power on.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Line in mode. FM mode.
FM mute. Play. Mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright. It's working fine. The little remote control, which is handy. That was a review for this cheap MP3 decoder with Bluetooth receiver, with FM radio, with line in, every function. I hope you like it. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! I like it. $1.